Attorneys for Shannon Gilday, the man accused of killing a Madison County woman in a high-profile murder case, are pushing to have the death penalty removed as a possible punishment.
Kylie Hill was inside the courtroom all day and heard from Jordan Morgan's family and friends about this new development in the case.
Jordan Morgan's family has expressed frustration with how long the legal process has taken to get justice for her. But they say after Monday's hearing, they finally feel like progress is being made.
There will be justice, and I think that's what's happening in Madison County right now, and we appreciate the justice system. Little slow, but we are getting there.
It was hours of testimony in the courtroom Monday. This hearing was originally scheduled for January to address the defense's motion to remove the death penalty from consideration based on Shannon Gilday's alleged mental incapacity. Gilday is accused of shooting his way into a mansion owned by former state lawmaker Wesley Morgan 3 years ago and killing his daughter Morgan as she slept. Police say Gilday wanted to take over the house to gain access to an underground doomsday bunker. We heard from 3 doctors who evaluated Gilday's mental health. 2 of those doctors testified for the defense, stating Gilday has schizoaffective disorder.
The ramp up to February, the events of February 2022, the ramp up of his illness during that time, all was consistent with this, and his age at the time, all consistent with a typical course of the development of a serious mental illness like schizoaffective disorder.
They sit there and talk about, just because you have some anxiety, you go over here and kill some poor young girl laying in bed to sleep. That's beyond belief.
However, the 3rd doctor testified that Gilday was not psychotic at the time of Morgan's murder.
What was the defendant diagnosed with prior to February 22nd, 2022?
An anxiety disorder. I did not see any prior documented diagnosis of schizophrenia, schizoaffective disorder, bipolar disorder, or delusional disorder in the available records from before the alleged offenses.
This hearing is a key step in determining whether Gilday is mentally fit to face the death penalty. A post-hearing briefing is due by August 15th.
This is not just about who killed her. This is about a life and that she needs to be remembered.
A status hearing for the case is scheduled for October 3rd at 10 a.m. In Madison County, Kylie Hill, Fox 56 News.